Pool care should be easy, and it is, with BioGuard's 3-step treatment system. The 3-step system only takes a few minutes a week, but it keeps your water clean, fresh, and clear, while reducing work, downtime, and unnecessary expense. Our system proactively impacts the 3 main pool challenges: cleanliness, clarity, and algae. Here's how our top-of-the-line system works. Keep pool water free of bacteria with BioGuard Smart Silk Guard Sticks, featuring our exclusive Silk Guard technology to soften water and protect equipment. Silk Guard sticks are long-lasting and easy to use. No special feeder required. Keep pool water clear with BioGuard Smart Shock, which breaks down organic contaminants, contains algae-killing crystals, clarifies water using a filter enhancer, and buffers pH to provide brilliantly clear water with no cloudy residue and without increasing pH. Prevent algae before it starts with BioGuard Backup 2. This highly effective, non-staining algae preventative keeps water clear and free of visible algae, increases protection as the water temperature rises, and will not evaporate. BioGuard also has systems for salt pools, non-chlorine pools, and spas. Trust your local, expert BioGuard dealer to personally tailor a system to meet your treatment style and individual pool or spa needs. Visit your BioGuard dealer for a personalized, in-depth, professional water test today. And be sure to ask about our exclusive True Blue Promise and enjoy a better pool tomorrow and every day.